This is the start of the Redneck Air Compressor Build. This is a motor out of a Whirlpool washing machine. This is the control board. The control panel for it, or the control circuits, are all screwed up for it. But the motor's good. So we're going to go ahead and power this on. See how well it works. So I'm going to select high spin rinse. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, it doesn't like the hot cold cycle. So I'll just turn it on. Oh, there we go. Spinning my clothes. Getting my clothes nice and dry and ready to transfer it into the dryer. Look at that. That's a pulley I got from the hardware store. We'll go ahead and shut it off. Clothes are done.